Next type of conversion you are going to study, that is access3, okay, and gray code, okay, and binary. So like now you should know how to convert to access3 from BCD to binary or BCD to access3. Suppose we are having decimal in number, you know that decimal vary from 0 to 9, like BCD vary always vary from 0 to 9, so that's why I have taken decimal from 0 to 9. Okay, now if I want to convert this decimal number into the BCD number, BCD means you can consider it as a binary. Now tell me what would be the for 0, that is 0 0 0 0, right? For 1 it would be 0 0 0 1. For 2 it would be 0 0 1 0. For 3 it would be 0 0 1 1. Okay, like this. Now if you want to convert it in excess 3, okay, x excess 3 means you have to add 3 on that. Like this is originally it is 0, right? So that would be BCD plus 3. 3 is how much? That is 0 0 1 1. 0 0 1 1. So what would be its answer? If you'll add BCD to 3, that would be 0 0 1 1. If you'll add 1 to the 3, then the answer is 4, right? So tell me the excess 3 of 1, that is 0 1 0 0. Okay? Now similarly tell me the excess 3 of 4. Yeah, excess 3 of 4 is how much? Tell me. Yes, it is 0 1 1 1. Okay, simple. Now we are having gray to binary and binary to gray. Suppose we are having number in gray form and we want to convert it into binary form. Okay, how can we convert? That is, if we are having number 1 1 1 0 and we want to convert it in binary form. So MSP, as you know, this one is the MSP and this one is your LSP. MSP is the most significant bit and LSP is the least significant bit. We'll write down MSP as it is, 1 as it is. Okay, now do it diagonally. 1 plus 1, like you should know, 0 plus 0 is 0 only, 1 plus 0 is 1 only, 0 plus 1 is 1 only, and 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay, and with the carry 1, this 1 is carry. Now 1 plus 1 is how much? 0. But we have to ignore the carry. Okay, so the main answer is 0. Again 0 plus 1 is how much? 1. Okay, then 1 plus 0 is how much? 1. So this is in the binary form, 1 0 1 0. It is in the binary form. Let me tell you one more example, okay, so that it would be clear to you. Suppose I am having number, it is in the gray form. We are having 1 0 1 1, okay, and you need to convert it into which form? Binary form. So 1 as it is, I told you MSP will be as it is, then it will move diagonally. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1, right? This is how we can convert the gray form to the binary form, right? Next form is the binary to gray, like opposite. Suppose we are having number 1 0 1 1. Okay, now we want to convert it into gray form. So 1 will write down as it is 1, then it will be added like this. 1 plus 0 is how much? 1. Again 0 plus 1 is how much? 1. And 1 plus 1 is how much? 0. Okay, I'm taking one more example from binary to gray. Suppose we are having 1 1 1 0. Okay, now we have to convert it into gray form. 1 will remain as it is, MSP will remain as it is. 1 plus 1 is 0, Again 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is in the binary form.